In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the touchpad on your PS4 controller. The process is simple, but there's something very important you need to know first, so make sure to watch closely. The PS4 system does not offer any built-in option to disable the touchpad, so if you are using your DualShock 4 directly on a PS4 console, unfortunately there is no official way to turn the touchpad off or unbind it. So if you are using your PS4 controller on a PC, then you can disable the touchpad completely using a free third-party tool, and that's exactly what I will show you now. To disable the touchpad on PC, you will need a tool called DS4 window. You can download it from the official DS4 window website. Once you are on the page, simply download the latest version and wait for it to finish. After the download is complete, run the executable file. When DS4 window opens, go to the Profile tab. Here you can create a new profile. When the app asks if you want to use a preset, choose yes and select DualShock 4. Inside the profile setting, you will see 4 touchpad areas: top, left, right, middle. Click each one individually, and to disable a section, simply change it to unbound. If you only want to remove certain inputs, you can customize each section however you like. Repeat this for all 4 areas of the touchpad. And once everything is set to unbound, the touchpad will no longer send any input. Your controller's touchpad is now effectively disabled when used on PC, and that's it. That's how you disable the touchpad on a PS4 controller using DS4 window. Sadly, this method does not work on the PS4 console, but it works perfectly on your PC. So I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.